Welcome to Farquhar Atoll with the Island Conservation Society. We will show you how we track the movements of the red-footed booby surrounding Farquhar Atoll in search of their prey. Seabirds tell us a lot about ocean health, and tracking them can help us understand where and when they get their food. In collaboration with the Zoological Society of London and the University of Reunion, this SACAT project will inform us where marine protection is needed. After searching, we prepare our equipment for tagging, then capture a red-footed booby. This is our tracking device, a GPS logger, carefully mounted under the tail feathers, which records the booby's location every 5 minutes. In total, we tagged 54 red-footed boobies, and after quickly taking some measurements, it's time to mark and release the birds. So where do they go at sea? Find out in a future video.